Hello, and welcome back to Bugs, Buzz, and Beyond. Today we're diving into a truly fascinating topic that's sure to captivate and maybe even give you the chills: tarantulas. These incredible spiders are among the most misunderstood creatures on Earth, often seen as creepy or even dangerous. But there's so much more to them than meets the eye. From their unique survival strategies and stunning appearances to their surprising roles in the ecosystem, tarantulas have secrets worth uncovering. Stick around until the end, because we've got some fun trivia questions to test how much you've learned about these amazing arachnids. Tarantulas are an extraordinary group of spiders belonging to the family Theraphosidae, which includes more than 1,000 species spread across nearly every continent. These adaptable creatures can thrive in a wide range of habitats, from the humid rainforests of South America to the hot, arid deserts of Africa and the forests of Southeast Asia. What makes tarantulas so remarkable is their diversity. Some species, like the cobalt blue, dazzle with vibrant colors, while others, like the Goliath bird-eater, command attention with their massive size, measuring up to a foot in leg span and weighing as much as 6 ounces. That's heavier than some small birds. Despite their fearsome appearance, most tarantulas are surprisingly docile and pose little threat to humans. Their venom is typically less potent than a bee's sting, and they rarely bite unless provoked. So while they may look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, tarantulas are more interested in surviving than scaring anyone. Let's talk about one of the tarantula's most fascinating and unusual features: their hair. At first glance, you might think their furry bodies are just for show, but those hairs are actually crucial to their survival. Many tarantula species, particularly those from the Americas, have what are called urticating hairs. These are tiny, barbed hairs located on their abdomen. When a tarantula feels threatened, it can use its back legs to flick these hairs into the air, aiming at its would-be attacker. These hairs can irritate a predator's eyes, skin, or even lungs, acting as a highly effective deterrent. For tarantulas, it's like having a cloud of tiny, itchy arrows at their disposal. This remarkable defense mechanism ensures that predators think twice before making a tarantula their next meal. Tarantulas are skilled hunters, and their hunting strategy is very different from that of many other spiders. Rather than relying on webs to capture prey, tarantulas are active predators that use their keen senses to track down their meals. They rely heavily on their sense of touch, with specialized hairs on their legs that can detect even the faintest vibrations in the ground. This allows them to locate prey, such as insects, small lizards, or even rodents, with remarkable accuracy, even in complete darkness. Once a tarantula has identified its target, it strikes with incredible speed and precision. Its venom immobilizes the prey almost instantly, and then the tarantula uses its powerful fangs to inject digestive enzymes. These enzymes break down the prey's tissues, essentially turning it into a nutritious liquid meal. While this process might sound a bit gruesome, it's an efficient way for tarantulas to get the energy they need to survive in challenging environments. One of the most extraordinary aspects of a tarantula's life is its molting process. As tarantulas grow, they must shed their old exoskeleton in a process known as molting. This isn't just about getting bigger, it's also how tarantulas repair any damage they've sustained. For example, if a tarantula loses a leg, it can regenerate it during molting. The process can take several hours, and during this time, the tarantula is incredibly vulnerable to predators. Once the old exoskeleton is discarded, the new one is soft and needs time to harden. Watching a tarantula molt is an awe-inspiring reminder of how resilient and resourceful these creatures are. Tarantulas are not only master hunters, but also excellent architects. Instead of spinning webs in trees, they create elaborate burrows underground. These burrows serve as their home base, a place to hide from predators, wait for prey, and molt in safety. Tarantulas line their burrows with silk, which adds structural stability and helps detect vibrations from passing prey. These burrows aren't just holes in the ground. They are meticulously crafted shelters designed for both comfort and survival. The silk lining also makes it easier for the tarantula to navigate its home, especially when it needs to make a quick escape. This hidden world underground is where tarantulas spend much of their time, patiently waiting for the right moment to emerge and hunt. Tarantulas play a vital role in their ecosystems, even if they often go unnoticed. As apex predators in the world of insects and small animals, they help maintain a balanced population of various species. Without tarantulas, the populations of certain insects could grow unchecked, disrupting the delicate balance of their habitats. In some regions, tarantulas are also seen as indicators of environmental health. Their presence signifies a well-functioning ecosystem, free from harmful pollutants or excessive human interference. So, while they may not get the recognition they deserve, these spiders are silent protectors of the natural world, working behind the scenes to keep ecosystems thriving. Tarantulas truly are nature's misunderstood marvels. From their stunning adaptations and unique defenses to their indispensable role in the environment, these spiders deserve both our respect and admiration. The next time you see a tarantula, remember that behind that furry exterior is a creature with an incredible story to tell. And now, as promised, it's time for some tarantula trivia. Let's see how much you've learned from today's episode. Ready? Let's start. Question number 1. What is the primary purpose of the urticating hairs found on many tarantulas from the Americas? If you chose B, you're absolutely correct. Those tiny barbed hairs are an effective defense mechanism, keeping predators at bay. Question number 2. What is the process called when a tarantula sheds its old exoskeleton to grow or repair itself? The answer is C, molting. This process not only helps tarantulas grow, but also allows them to heal and even regenerate lost limbs. How cool is that? Question number 3. Tarantulas primarily detect their prey using what sense? That's right, it's C, touch. Tarantulas rely on their highly sensitive hairs to detect vibrations in the ground, making them expert hunters, even in complete darkness. Did you get all the answers right? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution.